Morning everybody, and once again welcome back in today's class. Today we are on the day number 15. Before I start today's class, I would like to say thanks each one of you who motivated me, who guided me, who educated me, who built me, and who told me that what improvement I have to be do in my day-to-day work, specifically on the community. As you all know that yesterday the ServiceNow community MEP results has been announced. And with the God grace, I'm the lucky one to get this award again, third time in back-to-back years. But the question is not that I become a MVP. The question is that how you can become MVP or the rising star. That is important. If I'm becoming MVP, will not serve the purpose. But if I'm able to guide you guys that how you can support, how you can work in this area to get awarded, that will be more better. If you know that approximately few days back I told you, please follow the community, please answer the question on the community. I'm not sure that how many of you are doing this particular part. At least half an hour in a day on the community will lead you on this path, and this is a starting point. I'm not saying that do everything every day. No, this is a starting point where you can start at least answering the questions. Getting learning is more important here. So still there is a time, still there is an opportunity, still there is a chance to go and start this journey as well. And definitely this award is not possible without the support of family, of the parents, of the friends and colleagues as well. So thanks to you as well for supporting me, for giving me opportunity to share my small knowledge with you so that we together we can build a big knowledge bank. Okay, now let's start for the today's topic. Today's topic is little going to be interesting. Okay, and now almost I can say we are moving in the advanced side. The basics, the core which has been required has been done. Little advanced we are going to be start now. Okay, now let's say a HR case has been locked. HR case has been logged now. The system will know that I have to be assigned this case to this particular person or to this particular group. There are three ways. One, via HR template. Here you define that this particular service case will be created and will be assigned to this particular group. Easy peasy. Good. Second, assignment rule. This topic again I can say definitely is not covered in the admin or ITSM. This topic I covered in the CSM batch only. And that is I'm picking it up again because it is not known to everybody. Then it comes the assignment rule. Assignment rules are a little more better manner. Where you can go, what you can do. If you go here in the portal, sorry, in this part, and you can just look for the assignment rule. And go to HR assignment rules. As the name indicates that you can specify your things. that where this case should be go if a case has been logged on this particular service. Because in HRSD, the service is a core, the COE is a core. So like you can see here, operation case. The same fundamental has been applied in the ITSM as well. Assignment will work on the ITSM as well. You can define the name and you can define the applies to, on which table and what condition should be there. Might be HR case operation table. But if you want to put services, a little different in the HR case. Sorry, HR core case, you can put the specific service as well. No config, no customization here, nothing. So you can put the conditions and you can put assign to which group it should go. And if you want to put specific username, you can do it. Or if you want, you can do the scripting. But in this area, in this particular module, we avoid scripting. This is the low code. And prefer to go low code as well. Low code always or no code. Okay. That is the second part. Third part, which is important for our discussion today, is called AWA. That is called Advanced Work Assignment. What this mean? Advanced Work Assignment. Advanced Work Assignment is a big thing, or I can say the practical stuff, which work on the few parameters. Like, let me open this. Now this is employee. Okay. This is the employee who is using who want to be log a case. Okay. Now, how many ways the employee can log a case? Number one.
Physical, by mail.
Physical, what do you mean by physical means?
Means directly going to the service desk and
सर्विस डेस्क कहां से आ गया इसमें? It is HR department. So
means directly going to the HR and telling their problem and in front of that.
Right. So we can say that it is walk-up experience. That's called the walk-up. Other way?
Through mail, sending mail to the HR that he's or she's facing that particular problem.
Mail. Not HR, but
portal.
Just wait. Not HR. The email go to the ServiceNow instance, and from there, the case can be rigged. That concept is called the inbound action.
Okay.
Next, via chat. Right?
Yes.
Or
by self-service, going
by
directly.
self-service, going to the portal. Okay, or let's say via portal. Okay. So by this way, an employee can log a case. Now, these are called the channels. These are called the channels. In CSM, the concept is called the omni-channel, by which a customer can log a case. Now this need to be redirect to the agent, right? So यहाँ पर agent है. Multiple agents are there. Okay, agents, and I can say different agents group. Okay. Now the journey from here to here is important. Because when the case has been logged, it can be on the different services. Number one part. Number two part, it can be kind of a critical case. It can be kind of a callback as well, that, okay, I'm just putting a case to call me back. HR should call me back. Number two part is important, that to whom the case should be assigned. I'm not talking about the group only now. I'm talking about the agent name as well. Let's say in my HR group, Rahul, Arunima, Chaitanya, Anita, Anish is there. And and Vardhani is the HR manager. Okay. She wants that any case when it come, it should, and it's as per your services, it should assign to the person who are best qualified in that skill. When we go for the sports in school, in colleges, there are sports melas organized, right? And every team, every school make their team to participate. And they make sure they participate in the maximum games. And the best person of that particular game lead that game. I'm not good in cricket, but I'm good in Kho. So I will get the priority for the Kho. Anish is good in cricket. He will be captain for that particular team. It means the agent who has the best skill should get the case first. Important है यहाँ पे. So let's do like this. Second, availability. Anish आज है नहीं, छुट्टी पे Anish. He's in off today. Then, to whom the case need to be assigned? Next available person. And then the last is capacity. Anish already occupied with 5 cases since morning. And as per the practice, it's seen that an agent in a day deal only 5 to 6 cases max. So he's the full of the capacity. But Arunima is there. She is one level less in that skill. She is available in the office today. And she has only one case assigned as of now. So the case should be go to Arunima. But these things we are discussing need a human intervention. Because we can see, we can do. But ServiceNow say, let me give you the platform to build this particular part. That how you can build this. To build this, there is a plugin called AWA has been given by ServiceNow. Advanced Work Assignment. Okay, and AWA provide a lot of things to us. So you can go here. You can go here and search Advanced Work Assignment. If you click on the home, and if you don't have that plugin installed, it will ask you please install this plugin. And the plugin's name is itself is Advanced Work Assignment. You can take an advanced work assignment for ITSM, CSM, HRSD as well. Up to you. So I as of now just installed for the HRSD. If you click here. Oh, sorry, this is for the this what I can say. What is showing the queue? Achha, I did not install fully here. Okay, let's install this as well then. I thought I already installed. Okay, let me install this. Okay, it will take a few minutes. So you can do this particular part. But what is more important here to be understand? Before we work on the AWA, three things are important. One is to create a rule, assignment rule. Second is to create a channel which source a user can come and I have to be work on this particular part. And number three is a queue to whom this type of cases should be go. And four, presence. If Anish is not available, how the system will know that he is not available and is this case need to be assigned to someone else. So it is a presence is there. So this has been installed now. Now we can go here and we can see. Advanced work assignment. And you can see these options. Assignment rule, channel, queue, presence. Let's create an assignment rule first. That if a case come for this service, to which group it should go. I'm not saying that it will go to whom it should go. Do anything in the out of the box? No. Click new. Let's say if I say LNG training. It says assigned by. In which sequence I should assign? Shall I pick up the last assigned by? Or shall I pick up the capacity wise? So I can say the most capacity. जिसके पास ज्यादा capacity है उसको देख के this case need to be assigned. Okay. Then auto assign handling.
तो अतुल यहाँ पे असाइन बाय में असाइन टू नहीं होना चाहिए कि किसको असाइन हो रहा है?
ना वो तो बाद में आएगा. That will see in the queue.
Okay.
I'm seeing a case is coming on which basis I should assign. Should go by capacity, should go by last assign. कि जिसको last assign किया I should assign to that person. I said no. Check the capacity. Might be Bhavna is already piled up.
Yeah.
So better I'll see that who has the more capacity now or the most capacity now. Then okay. It should assign. This is a parameter because this parameter will evaluate in the queue that who is available, who has a capacity, who is a skill. So I'm giving system a pattern to go and check the capacity first. Okay. Then auto assign handling. What this mean? Automatically accept the work item without clicking accept or reject. Means a case has been logged and I'm not giving opportunity. Okay, I'll tell you this thing. We traveled in cabs. Ola, Uber kind of a cabs are available. Did you notice that if you are in the cab and you are about to your drop point, the driver get the information on his device that new customer is looking for the cab, right? In that particular area. Driver has the opportunity to accept or reject. He might accept if it looks good to him that okay, he's on the same way where he want to be go, or it is more on the money part. So this is called the auto acceptance, which I don't want. I want if by any chance my agent is not have a capacity already piled up, might be half time he's working today, so he can do the rejection as well. Allow agent to reject. Yes. A pop-up will come in your window, in your agent workspace, and you can say accept or resign. Sorry, accept or reject. Reassignment on the timeout. But system तो wait करेगा ना थोड़ी देर. Okay. The first priority go to the Anish. He has the most capacity. 30 minutes, sorry, 30 seconds, the system showing a pop-up. Pick up this ticket, pick up this case, pick up this case. Like in the cabs, you can see the driver's got a ring, ping, 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 ping. And after a few minutes, it get over if driver did not pick it up. So reassignment on the time. I said after it should go for the timeout. If agent did not accept in the 5 seconds, it should be timeout. And after timeout, what it show to the system that the agent is away. This is what the presence here. And then skill. Do you want that system should handle via skills as well? I said yes. Evaluate skill level, I said yes. Enforce mandatory skill, I said yes. ठीक है.
रिजेक्शन हैंडलिंग राउंड रॉबिन में वर्क करेगा क्या?
करेगा ना, करेगा. एक के पास से दूसरे के पास जाएगा दोबारा से, तभी तो टाइम आउट होता है हमने.
ओके
कि 5 seconds के बाद टाइम आउट कर दो, इट मींस दैट एजेंट इज अवे.
ओके
नाउ save it. This is my assignment rule has been done. That on which basis I want to be assigned. I want to go for the most capacity stuff.
So I think so अतुल, जब when we book our Ola and Uber cab, so वो जब find करता है driver, तो I think so उसमें भी same concept ही use होता होगा.
Almost same is this thing. You will be surprised to know that Ola is using service now.
Okay.
Yes, they are using service now. So similar concepts. It go to driver and pop up. Who is the next? Who is the nearest driver? So when you book a cab, you see on your map looking for the near driver for you. It means that is what the assignment rule is working. Going to checking that who has the most capacity, who is the nearby location. Definitely that is a little customized one. Nearby this thing location. Or might be if you're booking cab, you put some important things like I am looking for a cab which be clean or bigger size kind of things. So those are the parameters. Now once the assignment rule has been done, then we go for the channel. Same place, go here, and that is called the service channels. By which way a case can be logged? Via email, via chat, via which way? Click new. Name. LNG chat. Active, true. Index order means if a case has been logged by the multiple ways, then which way should take priority first? So you can put index order is 100. The evaluation order. Again, same manner. If you're logging a case, so booking a cab via app, or you're booking the cab via calling the customer care. Here, when I came to UK to shift my house, we were looking for the cabs. So Uber is there, but I ordered a small Uber. I thought like we can do in the India that we can fit everything and it can be work. But Uber driver say no. Then I called to another local cab. I called to the local cab. That customer can pick up my call and book a cab for me and say it will be there in the 5 minutes. So that depend. I'm using app or I'm calling it. So I can put the channel here. Now, which service you want to be implement? Give me a minute. Let me switch on the charging. Now the question comes, for which service?
Sir, how do we decide this inbound order field? You have mentioned
Inbox order.
100.
Inbox order.
So by default, you just placed it 100, like you're starting
Yes.
with 100. Okay.
Starting with 100. The minimum will get the more weightage. Minimum order कि सबसे पहले execute होगा मेरा. Let's say I'm creating five. Sorry, I'm creating 5 different channels on the same service. Then which channel should pick up the first on the priority? Like Anish, Arunima, Bhavna is logging a case on the benefit table. Anish is logging a case via chat. Bhavna is logging case via portal, and Arunima is logging via email. Then who takes the priority? Because system need to be know that whose channel is priority. I'll pick up that first and assign it. So this order decided, because you can define multiple channels for single service as well. So that is it. We are putting the order here.
Sir, what would be the what would be the situation when suppose in a scenario there are 2-3 people and they are they are defining the assignment rules and all them put so they don't know who has put the order number 100 or 200 in some other assignment.
No. This is not designed by the anybody. This has been designed by the HR admins. So we speak to the customer, we speak to the business. Okay, tell me in which order you want. What should take priority?
Okay, so in the beginning itself you defined it. In the beginning
Yes.
while requirement gathering. Okay.
Yes. The chat will take the precedence, or email will take the precedence, or the call will take a precedence. Which will take the precedence on this particular part? Okay, so order is deciding this thing. Now on which table? Let's say I want to go for the benefit table. Benefit table assigned to an assignment group. That in the benefit case table, the preference goes to the assigned to person. That we are looking for this assigned to person, and we are looking for the assignment group. These two fields need to be populated. In the assignment group, assigned to field should be populated. Anything in the advanced condition you want to put, you can put. Anything should be the audio should come. Like in the WhatsApp, I'm a part of some important groups, multiple groups are there. Few are very important for me. So I have a different notification for them. And specifically, when I want to be, because I'm here and my wife is and family is in India now. So I have a different notification tone for the messages received from my wife and my parents. So you can set the inbox alert audio as well, message alert audio as well. Channel group. Anything here? By default is a default only. Define a set of services channel configured for the route and assign items within the same thread. If you see, you can create a channel group as well. This comes for the routing perspective. That routing interval. This option come because we installed the routing plugin just now. But it say routing interval, that after how many times I should route it again. If 30 seconds, 30 seconds, 30 seconds, shall I go back again and check it? who is available next, who is available next, who is available. Might be when a case has been logged, Anish was busy. Anish rejected it. After 2 minutes, 3 minutes, again, same call go to Anish. And now Anish is free, so he accepted. So we can decide the routing interval. How many after how many time we can route it. Assignment interval. Initiating the assignment rules. Assignment runs. After 30 seconds, 40 seconds, 20 seconds, we can see the next assignment. Tier 1 is not available. Can I go for the tier 2? Can I go for the tier 3? So this thing we can do. And routing limit. I will do this maximum 25 times. After that, I'll create a case and leave it like this. It means human intervention is required at point of time. So we'll keep it like this as of now. If you want, you can create your own channel group as well. Now, what is important to be discussed more here is this. Capacity and the utilization. Default work item size means at least everybody should have a one item size. Work item should be there. At least one तो सबके पास होना ही चाहिए. And the default capacity is 10 cases. A user can handle agent can handle the 10 cases. And utilization condition. This is again important. Where you can define, because see, this is my COE. Under this COE, I have multiple services, so I can define HS service is which one HS service? I can say LNG. This channel will work for this particular service in the COE. मैं सर्विस लेवल पे काम नहीं कर रहा. I'm not working on the service. I'm not working on the COE level. I'm working on the service level. And subject person. Let's say I'll pick up the related fields. Subject person location. Subject person user field. And now I'll put the subject person, let's say location or department is finance. Only then this channel should work. Now, one thing need to be important to understand. I am a HR department. I am giving services to the multiple departments. I charge back from them. Overall company ko to I'm giving services. Or let's take another example, IT. IT is supporting and giving the services to every department. HR also need the laptops. Finance also need the laptop. Legal team also need the laptop. Facility team also need the laptop. But IT team don't have anything big money bank where they can go and get it everything. They purchase on the market and they charge back. That was for this month you have to pay this much amount to my department for the services you use. So I can decide the services here. If you want, this channel should be work for the multiple services. Put or condition, you can do it. Yes, Harshal.
Sir, in real life scenario, actually, we work like this. You showed actually assignment has a 3 segments. Okay. So what my question is, what if priority 1 case come and we are using that round robin?
So see, priority case 1 will not come because you or the agent need to be logged as a case priority 1. So if there's a no rule defined, it will not work.
Okay.
See, you are a human being, you can understand, right? I give you the example. 2 days back, there's a question on the community. Okay. And that person says, in my SLAs, I don't want the response SLA should get attached again and again because that person is not using the state as a condition in the SLA. He says that if I'm moving my incident from group A to group B, the response SLA get attached, which I don't want. Then I said, you as a human being can see that it is getting attached from map to one department to other department, but how the system will know? So the same thing here, if you did not define in the system, it will not know. So what you define, system will know, work according to that only.
Okay.
Okay. And then logging means logging may impact the performance due to high volume. To minimize impact, logging only as long needed. Okay. Means like you want to kind of keep a track of these logs. That is what it's saying. And Anish, what you say, actually the value can be as minimum as it can be 1 as well. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 like this. And now my channel is ready. Okay, my channel is ready, which work on this particular perspective. Now I come to the queue. देखो इसका inbox layout भी ready हो गया. Means now this particular concept will work in agent workspace, HR agent workspace. ये native view में काम नहीं करेगा. Mainly, मतलब काम it did not work mainly on that native view. It worked mainly on this particular part. Now let's come to the last section. It's called creating a queue. Advanced work assignment queue. To whom it should go. That is important. Click on new. LNG. Service channel, which you just created. वहीं से पिकअप करके लेके आएगा ना इसको ये, right? That what has you mentioned that this queue will work on this channel, and this channel has a service called benefits. Sorry, LNG, and department is finance. Schedule. Will this queue work for 24/7 or 8 to 5 weekdays? Earlier, what happened when this digital banking or the internet banking started? Generally, customer care of the banks did not work after 5 o'clock. And only for the few cases, for the few scenarios, it worked till midnight. Like nowadays, it's working for the 24/7. So I can say 24/7 as of now. Short description. LNG Pathshala for LNG training. And then you can define the order. Again, less order will take the precedence here. Because might be we have multiple queues for single channel. It can be possible. Multiple queues for a single channel, it can be possible. And now you have to put this thing. Condition mode. Simple or advanced. Simple means I don't want, if any incident comes, it should go like this. But you want to put advanced, you can do the scripting as well. If caller has this manager or caller is this time zone or caller is like this subject person like this, that, then you can pick it up. Generally we go in this format as a simple without any condition. Target wait time. How much time it should wait for this particular queue. I can say it should wait only for the 6 seconds and save. Queue with number, तो मैंने तो नंबर बनाया ही नहीं. Let's say, ठीक है, this one. So I have created a queue. Now assignment eligibility. यहां पर आएगा आपका assignment rule which we created on the first point. Which assignment rule? LNG training. Eligibility. Not mandatory, so leave it. Means from when it will start and which group. It should go to Anish HRSD or it should go HR investigation group. तो यहां से आपके ग्रुप फाइनल हो रहे हैं. Rules are defined here, groups are defined here. Click submit. So things has been done. Channel.
यहाँ पे हमने मल्टीपल ग्रुप्स सिलेक्ट किए बट तो मतलब पर्टिकुलर एक टिकट तो एक पर्टिकुलर स्किल के बेस पे एक ही टीम के पास जाएगा ना.
राइट एग्जैक्टली. बट राउटिंग भी तो है ना हमारे पास. After some time routing again go to next assignment group to pick up, which we see in the default this thing. जो भी हमने रेस किया routing channels जो हमने देखे थे. It's chapter 5. That's what it's showing for this groups as well. Practically it should go for the one group only.
Yeah.
But if one group is full, go to the next group.
Okay.
And now the next part, which is the last, is called the presence. How the system will know that in this group users are there or not. My shift start at 9 o'clock in the morning. I log in by 8:45. I reach office, open my laptop, say hi, hello to everybody, and then I log in. And 9 o'clock, I go and open this thing and set my presence to available. So that the system should know that in this group, these users are available. Then you can say, Atul, मेरा मन नहीं है काम करने का. Can I put offline? You can put offline. But HR manager will know that this person since morning he done only 2 tickets and only 2 are assigned. It done to the 2 tickets. But we have a good flow of the tickets or the cases. It means something wrong with the presence. Intentionally he or she is making his presence as a offline or away. So the ticket should not be get assigned or case should not get assigned. So now we are going to be set this presence part. Presence states by default available, away, offline. First check available. For the channel LNG and for the applied for the HR case. By default for HR case as well, it is available. Because we don't have much data, so it's just showing the 2 things. Show channels. Which is restricted for the agents. Means agent cannot change the channel that it's coming from chat. Let me put in the email now because cases already so that it can redirect to anybody else. So generally we avoid this. Apply to the all groups, yes. And order is 0. So much preferable. This channel is available to select the work items, the cases. If I say yes, then I have to be selected. If I say no, then this channel will not get anything, work assignment. Then let me click on the update. अरे नहीं किया कुछ customize because it is given by service. Oh, given by service out of the box, so it is asking, and it's not recommended we make a change in that. And you can see available to work assignment true. अवे है तो असाइनमेंट नहीं करना, बट आई सेड नहीं अवे है तो भी असाइनमेंट कर दो अगर आपको ऊपर कुछ नहीं मिल रहा है, अवेलेबल में कोई नहीं मिल रहा तो जो अवे है पिक अप दोस.
Sir, I think these workflows, these 3 available away offline would be service now defined and for all the groups and as a standard.
Yes. Correct. So we have to just make it active true if not true. So it says, yes, go ahead and make a change now. And now I can see more channels. Chat, which I created, this thing. That even though away, still assign. Update. So now if any case will be logged, first it will check all the available agents. If not, then it will check for the aways one. And with this, you can do your work. Now the problem is that in our instance, we cannot test it. What we say, what we have created our channels. Okay, let's try to do this particular part. ठीक है. Anybody has any user who is just employee, not the HR? Let's say IT user is there. I'm not sure it will work or not, but we can give a try. If this ITL user has a profile. And even I'm not sure that about my this is appearing or this portal or not. नहीं, इसको तो access ही नहीं है. It means this ITL user don't have any profile available, so not able to see anything else. So it's mining workspace. Let's see. नहीं, access नहीं है इनको. ठीक है. So what you can do now, because you already created your what I can say good services templates as well. Now create the channel, create the queue, and create the this presence, and create the assignment tool, and then log a case via portal, via some user who is just employee, not having any other role, and then see is this case getting assigned or not. You have to be impersonate with the different agents to see. You cannot see why you're admin, because you're the admin. You cannot see. So what happened when a case has been logged? If I am an agent, I can see the option here. If I say available, I can see the option here. A case is popping up. Accept or reject, accept or reject, accept or reject. Then I accept, it will assign to me for the resolution purpose. ठीक है, everybody clear till this point? अरे yes or no तो बोलो.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Good. Now, very small topic, not much burden one.
Sir, I have one doubt.
Go ahead, please.
So, what I understand, service channel queue presence, they are interconnected.
Sorry,
Assignment rule is independent, right?
sorry, service and
Service channel queue and presence, they are interconnected.
everything is interconnected. Even assignment rule, if you see, we put in our queue, right? If you go back here in the queue, and we're getting our queue, we are using the assignment rule only. See, this is our assignment rule, right?
Oh, okay.
This one, sorry, this one is our assignment rule, right?
Yeah.
So first we create this portion in the silos, and then we are clubbing it with each other to make a relationship, to build a relationship.
Yeah.
ठीक है जी?
Yeah. Okay.
But now when we talk about the HRSD, again a small topic, not in the more detail, because maximum things are from the admin part only. Every department or HR department need a report that how the cases are behaving. So there are 2 or 3 things. Number one, there is a separate module available. This is called the standard reporting. After from Xanadu onwards, this module has been hidden now. Means the legacy system, the legacy module of report, where you can click just search on the report and you can see view reports, create new everything. It has been hidden now. Now it has been clubbed with the concept called the platform analytics.
Oh, that is what I was wondering because I have installed this time Yokohama. So I was not finding it, platform analytics. I was just.
Yep. So this has been clubbed and enhanced under the platform analytics under the section called the data visualization. In my last batch of CSA, I explored this option. After struggling, after reading a lot on the community and the docs, that where that reporting module gone. And then I come to know that from the Xanadu onwards, it has been part of the platform analytics. So now what we can do, we will go here and search for the data visualization. This one, platform analytics and data visualization. And here you can see few of the reports already given by ServiceNow. Let me see. Yes. रुको ऐसे नहीं बताएगा. Means out of the box, there's no report given by ServiceNow on the HR table. So we can create our own report as well. You can create a multiple type of reports. Time series, column, spine, line. Go for the score level, dial, score, GAGU. You can go for the bar level, vertical, horizontal bar, Pareto systems, pie charts, pivot table as well, or the heat map as well, and calendar reports. Any kind of report you want to create, you can create it. Let's say I want to create a trend report column. On which table you want to create it? Data source. And here you can find out your tables. I want to create on the ऐसे नहीं करेगा क्या search? Okay.
Sir, if I'm mistaken, maybe because long back I saw, sir, when in performance analytics you get, in form of widgets, you get predefined care.
That is performance analytics. That is a separate part. This is what we are creating our own. I'll show you that part as well. Okay, because that is performance analytics, and this is platform analytics part.
Okay, sir. Sorry,
Okay.
my bad.
So you can go and search here for the tables. Not sure why it's not searching.
But sir, in that also we should get that in performance analytics that is not applicable to HR.
Yes. Platform analytics is a bigger umbrella. Under that, we have a performance analytics.
Okay.
Even though that also club in the this platform only. Let me pick up some table. Why not? It's not searching. By this way, it's too much. HR will go very down. Oh.
Now do we require a separate plugin because they have made changes? Or
Platform analytics is coming out of the box now. From Zenando onwards, it was coming as out of the box. Okay, let me take a simple example. It will take time for the case search of the case. Let me say incident table. You can see here that records are there. Now, if you want to put any condition, because these are the predefined filters given by ServiceNow. So, because reporting is one of the key area, which
sir, do we call it KPIs, key performance indicators?
वो अलग से हैं. That is a separate. I'll show you that part as well. ठीक है. So you can put any predefined conditions, or you can put your own custom condition as well. That I want to be C, where priority is 2, and you can see here these things. You can add the related list as well and add the data source, and you can see here. Then you can see group by, and you can do trend by. You can do the additional settings as well. Data update, presentation, display setting, axis, y axis, you can do it. This is what, and now you can save it. And once you save, now you'll get an option to add on the dashboard as well. You can create your own dashboard and you can edit there. If you want, you can create a new dashboard. If you want, you can create a add to the existing dashboard. What dashboard you want to be go? I want to be adding the incident management. Let's take example. Add to dashboard. And then we share that dashboard with our users. Again, not going in the deep dive because this is all basics and covered in the admin part of itself. Okay. Now the another thing which come here to be important point, what Anish says is KPIs. Platform analytics, and you can see, where is my KPIs? Wait, data visualization is this is no, KPIs are separate one. Wait. There was a topic for the KPI as well. Indicators breakdown. Yeah. Why it's not showing to me? There must be a KPIs as well. But you will find the KPIs already here. Either I'm missing something because I see that somewhere it's mentioned it's a KPIs, and you can see or it's a not indicators are not the KPIs.
I think both are same, indicators and KPIs.
I'm thinking, but because I read somewhere this thing that these are the KPIs. Might be we can say it's kind of a KPIs, but I'm not sure, missing something here. Okay.
Because I see indicator they are using these keywords or in other modules also.
Yes,
Right?
percentage and all things will be there. Okay, so the only thing is that might be you're getting little confused. If you did not hear anything about the platform analytics or the platform analytics, you can go and do the specific course on the now learning. That how the indicators can be created, because this is not the part of HRSD. In HRSD, we just see that what reports we'll be getting. So now if I go back here and search for the dashboards, and I can search for the HR. This is what is kind of a coming from the widgets part. So you can see open, assigned to, priority, all these things will be there. No data available to display might be there are some background jobs which are not running at point of time on these things. So it is not showing any data to me. You can click on the edits and then you can make a changes. But the thing is that it is available, or might be this. Let's see, schedule, data refresh. No, kuch nahi. I'm sure that it's might be some jobs are not running in the background. That isn't is causing this issue. Otherwise, it should show some data to us. Okay. Another thing which is important is called I want to create a report with the combination of the two tables. I want to create a report with the combination of the two tables of the SLA logged on a case and the type of the case services. So when you want to make a report on the two tables, then we had to create the database view. Then we have to create the database view. What this means? Database view is the place which allow a user to join one or more table and give a results from the both table in a one go. I want to create a report of employee table and the department table. So the only thing which is required is that in the both table, one parameter at least should be the common to get a search in the other table. So again, no deep dive here. It is part of the basics only. So there are few database view given by ServiceNow. For HRSD, I guess not few, one or two are there maximum. Database view. So who to this batch who are new, please read about these things. And now I can search for the HR. So this is a database on the two tables, HR core profile and HR employee profile. कि यूजर टेबल में से मुझे वो लाके दो जिनका HR प्रोफाइल बना हुआ है. So you have to put the where clause like this. And then you can use this database view for your reporting as well. You can get the report on this whatever stuff. I'm giving you another homework as well. I want to see that Atul, how much time a case was in one queue, in one group. How much time a case was in the another group. There's no way to find out this thing on that directly. So we use the metrics. We use the metrics. In the metrics, again, out of the box metrics are available. In the metrics, we put that how to or which field need to be measured. See, I can do the metric on the assignment group. I can do the metric on the state. How much time my case spent in the new state, how much time my case was in the in progress, how much time my case was in the resolve, how much time my case was in the acceptance, awaiting acceptance. Not easy way to find out, because in the audit log it gets captured, but not in the straightforward the way we are looking for. So we can create the metrics. Again, coming from the admin part, no more discussion or no deep dive discussion on these particular topics. Clear, everybody? Doubt, question, clarification.
Can we see that code of that terms?
That is
सर उसका कोड देख सकते हैं हम?
metric का?
हाँ.
Metric. The good point is that no need to be write a code as well. We have to just select what way you want to be get the metric. Field value calculation, or you want to put the scripting.
Okay, so behind what they have written, can we see that?
I doubt. It's something core code.
So because in ITSM it is not there.
It is there, yeah. Metrics are available for every module.
We can't see no that.
This I teach in admin as well, metrics. Metrics are there. Yeah. It's out of the box.
देखना पड़ेगा सर, मैं पढ़ा ही नहीं फिर.
बस देखो फिर ये तो गलत बात है ना. Okay.
Yeah.
Yes, Arunima, you were asking some question.
Yeah, I was asking whether metrics can be applied to non-task tables as well.
I think no as of now.
Yeah, because I was trying and I wasn't able to do it.
No, I guess. No. Even you will surprised to be know that, which is why what I heard, and I think I'm right, that SLA cannot be also applied on the non-task tables.
Yes, it can't.
But there are workaround for this as well.
Yeah, they were saying that you have to like change the core script for that, like
Correct.
inherit something.
Something right.
Yeah.
That is what.
Mm.
Okay. And Harshal, the question which you put, that can a document without download, can it be signed in the HRSD? Yes, it is doable, but for that you have to be integrate it with the this thing, Adobe Reader. Then it can be done.
Okay.
Again, after the class yesterday, I saw the question on the committee and someone mentioned the same thing, that there is some plugin or there is some Spock is there which you can use or integration to be done, and that can be doable. Okay.
Yeah.
Chaliye, if no other question, let's go for the attendance now.